We have a 2006 Buick Luzerne. Trying to take off the oil pan, right? Now the hiccup to this thing is it says you gotta take out the transmission to get to that little bolt in there. That thing right there. Alright. You can't get it off with a socket. It's too much on the transmission. So what I did was for the two 10mm that are one right there and one's right there. What I did was grab a little 1/8 ratchet with a 1/8 10 short socket. Kind of fish the socket in through here. Fished it in. Because right here you can't get the socket through it. So you're gonna have to put the socket above it and then drive the extension through. Then over here you can pretty much just pry it along to the side and get that 10mm out. Now the doohickey, this one is right there, is you gotta chisel it. Get a cold chisel, one of these, sharpen it up. Then put a little, you see there, I put a dent in it. Just put a small dent, just enough to get it to start cracking loose. Once it cracks loose, you can pretty much spin it. It's a little bit tough. You gotta fiddle with it for a while. But I had 3 screwdrivers, this one, and these two. And I had this little pricky thing to pull it out. I used that to pull it out once you got it all the way loose. Once you got that 13 in there all the way loose, just put this little doohickey in there, put it right above, wiggle the pan around, like so, and just pry it down. If you have all the threads off, it'll actually fall right out. And then, take off all the other 10mm and all that. Now I gotta just drop the frame. So this will be part 1. See if I'm successful in taking it all the way out in part 2.